Well, as a viewer, I kind of enjoy it when there's a little bit of a fumble or when somebody breaks and they start laughing.
Considering the number of individuals, the fortunate thing for me is that I've spent so much time in 7 years getting to know many elected officials and community leaders personally at a friendly level.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency. At the start of this message, no one. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Housing, clean energy.
Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!